Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M55. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on an app now and close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Now click Send next to Selected at the bottom. And just got it, and here's some tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to select one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!